Hi, welcome to Harxon Channels. I'm Lee Keys. Today I would like to introduce our new products for precision joint navigations, CUX12A.
Precision matters a lot in unmanned systems. Integrators depend on the quality, reliability, and performance of precision navigations and time products for land, air, and marine unmanned applications. So it's very important to choose a proper antenna for your drones. But what is crucial to drones antennas? It's great important to keep the balance of excellent positioning performance and small and light form factor. A qualified helix antenna should help reduce ring resistance, weight, and power consumption for the joint while maintaining the stable signal tracking performance. The antenna should also be easy to be integrated and conforms with the appearance of the joint. As for the mass application, the mass product's ability should be considered, and fast delivery is also very important too. As mentioned, it is very important to keep the balance of the antenna performance and the antenna shape. On the one hand, the antenna shall be fitted into the reserved space in a joint that the size, the profile, and the weight must not exceed the maximum range of the joint. And on the other side, the antenna should meet the aimed accuracy with comprehensive GNSS support and strong anti-interference. In order to reach the balance, Harxon announced the additions of the lowest profile Helix antenna, as well as CUX12A to its industry-leading line of Helix antennas. Harxon HS's CUX12A embedded Helix antenna is designed for high precision positions of drones and offers a superior satellite signal tracking, including GNSS as well as low-band correction service. It provides excellent aspect ratios, enable excellent multipath mitigations, and a very precise phase center. It's designed with extremely low profile, is 21.9 millimeters and weight only 8 grams with a compact dimensions of diameter 46, and it makes it ideal to be integrated into UAV systems, surveying and monitoring devices. It reduces the overall weight of applications and meets the strict demands of low profile. HS's CUX12A is designed with innovative DQHA technologies, which adopt precision terms helix antenna elements with excellent gains and aspect ratios over all elevations and angles that help to minimize multipath. The technology features low noise amplifiers with an integrated low loss prefilter to protect against harmonic interference from high amplitude interfering signals, providing a high signal to noise ratio. The stable performance of wide-angle circular polarizations ensures exceptional low elevation satellite tracking while maintaining high gains and provides reliable signal tracking. There are many benefits. The first is it guarantees extended gains and aspect ratio over all elements and angles, so the antenna can always play the best result across all GNSS bands. Second, this technology is designed with superior low noise amplifiers with an integrated low loss pre-filter to restrain possible unwanted electromagnetic interference. Third, it guarantees the stable performance of wide-angle circular polarizations of the antenna. Last, this technology greatly enhances the low elevations angle tracking capability of antenna, so it is fearless of any low environment and flight angles. A multipath is the main systematic errors of the GNSS positioning. It affects the convergence of precise positioning in the high obstructions environment. Our HS's CUX12A obtains the front-to-back ratio and actual ratios of the antenna and equips a robust pre-filtered LNA that features an excellent out-of-band interference rejection performance and restrains possible unwanted electromagnetic interference. And it provides reliable GNSS signal for easy integrated into positioning solutions. The HSS UX Tab A offers turnkey customization service based on your requirements. First, it is precision turns antenna service is offered. And still the option cables and connector, you can choose like SMA connector, IPAX, Velcro connector. We can also offer the customized ones. And there are usually like pre-designed installed holes at the bottom of the antennas. We can design new installed holes based on your systems. Now we will have the detailed introductions about our Helix antenna families. After years of accumulations, we enriched the Helix antennas families and form like 4 series products, aiming to meet various unmanned systems applications. These products adopt Harxon patented DQHA technology for stable positioning performance with millimeter level accuracy. And these antennas are multifunctional, integratable, and customizable. Let's look at Series 1. Series 1 antenna meets the basic needs of dedicated for UAV systems, and these antennas are designed into small size and small weight, covering singles or dual bands. They are cost-effective solution, easy to be integrated and installed into your drones. And Series 2 is designed with comprehensive GNSS support, including like GPS, Cronus, Galileo, Beidou, and L bands with 4.2 dBi high gain. They are able to achieve better positioning performance. Series 3 is designed into smaller form factor with lighter weight. They meet customized requirements like small size, lightweight, specific installation width. And Series 4 is an all-in-one GNSS antenna integrated with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antennas. Harxon Helix Antenna Family features comprehensive GNSS support, strong anti-interference, millimeter level positioning accuracy, and they are very easy to be integrated to your systems. Multifunctional, combined of like GNSS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. They are customizable in connector, cables, and installations. Besides drones, these antennas are widely used in RTK handle devices, lawnmowers, flyers, marking robots, and survey-grade locators. Now let's have a look at the features Helix antennas. This one is HSUX 0058. It is designed with the integrations of GNSS antenna and Bluetooth, Wi-Fi antennas, enable communications and navigations without mutual interference. And the Wi-Fi antenna supports like the 2.4 and 5.8 GHz and Wi-Fi 6 for like faster data transmissions. Ideal solutions for surveying, UAV, personnel and vehicle monitoring, and many more applications. It's regarded as an all-in-one solution for integrated Helix antenna needs. And the second one is HSUX 76098. This is a low-profile and small-size Helix antenna designed for high-precision positioning service and offers superior satellite signal tracking, as well as low-band correction services beside the GNSS. It features the comprehensive GNSS support and centimeters repeatabilities and hard gain allowed activations, improved the signal filters, and excellent multipath rejection. So it is lightweight and low-profile facilities, easier integration into your drones. Let's look at the third one is the HX600A. This one is an all-round high-performance helix antennas, good stabilities and economicals. This product supports the GNSS relevant and sparse signal reception. The DQHA technology ensures low elevations and satellite tracking, and a stable phase center guarantee millimeter level accuracy. And a strong anti-interference guarantees stable performance even in harsh operation environments. Now we will talk about how to select the proper antennas for your drones. We've summed up the 9 points as guidelines on antenna selection for your reference. First is the applications. Different applications acquire different antenna types, and based on your drone, you should choose house antennas or embedded antenna first, and the next is the multi-mass method. The antennas are usually screw mounts. We also offer customized multi-mass based on your needs. For the connector, you can choose SMA, IPEX, Farcross, and other customized connectors. There's another important thing you have to make sure the antenna weight and size that can be fitted into your system. Also, you need to choose the frequency you need. Now, based on your specific applications, the functions and accuracy of the antenna is determined. So choose positioning only or like positioning process communication, BT, wave phase, and the antenna accuracy range from the centimeter level to millimeter level. You should also consider some key antenna parameters. For example, peak gains, LNA gains, and power supply. The high gain, the better the directivities and signals reception performance. And LNA gain should match the dynamic range required by the board. Also, make sure that the antenna LNA works normally under your system's power supply. Next part is how to integrate this antenna into your drones. So if you like to purchase embedded helix antennas, we offer some advice on antennas random design. For the antenna random material, you can choose PCs, ABS, PC plus ABS, or FRPs and other low-tested electrics and low-loss materials. The electric constant should be between 2 to 4. And the electric loss should be less than 0.005. For both the parameters, the lower the better. The above the measures can reduce the electric loss of the random to relative low levels. For the random structure, please pay attention that the random thickness is generally 1 to 1.5 millimeter. As thin as possible under the premises of the meetings the strength requirements. The distance between the antenna and the random is recommended to be at least over 1 millimeter. The shape of the randoms is preferably a symmetrical structure, which is symmetrical to the antenna structures and can ensure the symmetries of the antenna pattern.
If you would like to choose house antennas, you will have to pay attention to the antenna installation. First, there should be no metal obstacles above the GNSS antenna PCV, and the GNSS antenna should be at least 10 cm away from other communication antennas, such as 4G, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, radios, camera, radar, and other components. And the farther the better, to avoid possible electromagnetic interference. And if there is metal ground that's under the antenna, symmetrically shaped metal ground is preferred.
Now we will talk about how to match antennas and your board. The frequencies of antennas should match that of board. For example, the U block is the average 9P board should be matched with L1, B1, G1, E1, L2, B2, G2, E5B antennas, and the Unicorn's UN980 board should be matched with 4 systems, full frequencies antenna, The power supply of the antenna should match that of the board. Most of the Harxon Helix antenna have a very wide working voltages. For example, like our HSUX Type A, its operation voltage is from 3.3 to 12 volts. If it exceeds this range, the antenna will not work normally. So also, GNS antennas are generally active antennas considering of the passive antennas and low noise amplified LNA. Different boards are different requirements for the LNA gains of the antenna. For example, the Unicron boards usually require the gains of the antenna LNA between 16 to 36 dBi. If the gain is too high, the systems will be saturated and the signals analyzed will be abnormal. When the long RF cable needs to be connected between the antenna and the board, the cable losses should be considered.
So don't worry about how to choose the antennas. Our lovely engineers team will support you to provide you very professional technical proposals for your specific project requirements. For more information about products, just subscribe to our channels or follow us on LinkedIn or just drop us an email. We're here to support you all. See you next time.